Hello everyone, as per teacher's demand, today I taken the topic edit picture in document. It's very helpful while preparing the question papers. If you have any doubt on this topic, write in comment section. In this text wrapping option, we learn how a shape or picture interacts with the surrounding text, which affects how you can place it on the page. To see this text wrapping option, you have to click on the picture. First, place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Click on Insert, then select the picture, then OK. First option is In Line with Text. This option puts the picture or shape on the paragraph, just like a line of the text. It is the default wrap style. Square. Square wraps text around the picture or shapes in a square pattern. You can position the object randomly on the page and the text will fill around it. Tight. Let's try with shape. In this option, text wraps at a consistent distance between the edge of the picture or shape and the text. The text follows the shape. You can position the object randomly on the page and the text will fill around it. Through. Through acts much like tight, except that you can change the wrap points so that text can fill in the spaces between elements in the image. Edit wrap points. Move the wrap points so that the text fills in around the picture. While you cannot add points, you can slide them around to fit how you want the text to wrap. Top and bottom. It wraps the text on the top and bottom of the picture or shapes and does not put any text along the edges regardless of how narrow the picture. Behind and text. Behind text. It puts the picture or shape behind the text. Once behind the text, you may have difficulty trying to select it. So, to select this picture, click on Select Object from the Select option and then click on Picture. Then select the option to In Front Text. It puts the picture or shape on top of the text. Next one, both the sides, right, left or largest. This is the text wrap options. These options control the text wrap around an image. Left option wraps around only the left side of the image or shape. You can also set the value using the distance. both sides. It wraps text around the either side of the image. You can also set the distance using this position option. Largest only. It wraps with largest distance from the margin. Thank you.